Hey sis, it's your girl Rocky. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another deep conditioner series video, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing the True by Made Beautiful Intense Treatment Mask. I picked this up from Sally's. I just liked the fact that it had honey in it because honey is a humectant and my hair has always responded really well to products with honey. And I'm also going to be reviewing their leave-in and their buttercream, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right there below in red and turn on the notification bell so every time I upload you will be the first to know. Let's get into this review. This is the True by Made Beautiful Hair Clean Natural Intensive Treatment Mask, and it is made with shea, honey, coconut, and mango. This one is for restore and repair, and it's for straight, curly, or coily type hair. Okay, so as you've seen, initially I applied the deep conditioner to my hair directly. After that, I switched to my deep conditioning the way I do it when I modify the deep conditioner because it didn't feel like it was absorbing to my hair. It didn't feel like I had any slip. I was having a hard time working it into my hair and detangling with it in my hair. It was pretty hard to do with it in its original state, so I did end up modifying it for the rest of the sections for my hair, and it worked beautifully. Now, I don't know if you've heard me say this before, but my hair really enjoys deep conditioners that have honey in them. If you do not know, honey is a humectant, so honey helps draw in moisture, which helps hydration. So anything with honey, such as the TGIN, my hair just really works well with. So when I seen this True by Made Beautiful and it has honey and mango and different things that I felt like my hair would really like, I just had to try it. And it actually smells very similar to TGIN, so I was expecting it to work very similar to TGIN, but it doesn't at all. So TGIN is very lightweight. If you tip it over, it can actually be pretty runny, whereas this, if you've seen when I was showing you the thickness of it, it's pretty thick. You do have to scoop it. It doesn't run, which can be a good thing if your hair likes thicker products, but if you're like me and you're low porosity and you're fine strand and your hair prefers lightweight products, I do feel like this is one of the deep conditioners that does have to be modified. So if you haven't seen my deep conditioner modification video, make sure you check that out. But yeah, all the other sections I did modify, and then it just worked really well in my hair and I really liked it. Now, I always say the proof is in rinsing it out. I sometimes will put something in my hair and think, yes, this is gonna work really good, or no, this is not gonna work. And then I rinse it out and either I'm like, what the heck? I thought this was gonna be like an A1 and it looks like crap. Or I'm like, oh, I thought this was gonna be crap and it looks beautiful. So I always say the real test comes when you rinse it out. Good morning, beautiful. I'm saying this to myself and to you. I hope you had a good sleep. So last night we deep conditioned with this new True by Made Beautiful. It's pure, clean, and natural. And this is the Intensive Treatment Mask. So last night we applied this to our hair. And if you're new to my channel, you may not know this, but I typically sleep with my deep conditioner in. I do know moisture overload is a real thing. I am well aware of this, but I've made the decision that this works best for my hair, so I will continue to do it. I did do a few deep conditioning treatments without sleeping with it in. This just works best for my hair and works best for my lifestyle, so I'm going to keep doing it. But yes, last night we did sleep with this in, so I am going to take my hair scarves off and then we'll jump in the shower to rinse this out. But let's take a look at how it absorbed into my hair. I do want to give you a quick update. I want to go over a few things with you. So I don't know if you've seen my recent collagen video on why collagen wasn't working for me. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out. I have run into a new collagen that I wanted to tell you guys about. So I don't know if you know this, but I am a coffee lover. I'm a coffee drinker. I am obsessed with coffee. Since I do love coffee, I thought it was really interesting that I ran into this in my local Target. This is Vital Protein's collagen creamer, and it is a vanilla flavor. So I don't typically put my collagen in my coffee because my coffee is really important, and I feel like my collagen is really important, so I don't want to mix the two. I want to enjoy my coffee without having to think about adding collagen to it. And when I take my collagen, I just want to take it and not, because sometimes I'll drink my coffee throughout the day and not drink it right away. So I just didn't want to mix those two things. But now that I've found a collagen made specifically for a creamer, I was like, I just got to try it. And another update is that the vitamin C that I'm using is this Adult Gummies Vitamin C by Nature Made. So I have been incorporating this into my daily routine. So I have vitamin supplements that I've already been taking, but this I take about 10 minutes before I take my collagen, and so far so good. It's only been a week or two, so I can't really say I've been seeing a huge improvement, but I can say I've seen some. So if you are a coffee lover as I am, if you see this, make sure you check it out. The vanilla flavor is decent. I wouldn't use it as a creamer alone. I incorporate it with the creamer I already use. I just add 1 scoop of this to it just to give it that collagen boost, and so that I can drink my favorite drink while also getting some skincare benefits, because you know my skin, we're on a journey to be perfect. So I just wanted to give you a quick update about that. I will be doing a full collagen update video in the next 6 months or so, once I either see results from my new technique of using the collagen or don't see results. But since I recently incorporated this and it is hella early, I did want to give you an update on, you know, my collagen, because I happen to be drinking coffee right now while I'm recording this video. Hello. So anyways, I am going to jump in the shower, rinse out this deep conditioner, and then I am going to come back with my results. But really quickly, I do want to say this deep conditioner has absorbed fully into my hair. There's no white residue. Even in the area where I applied it in its original state, there's no white residue. So I have to say at this point I'm pretty pleased, but let's get in the shower and find out the real deal. Okay, so I rinsed out the deep conditioner and I was very pleased. So let me show you what it's looking like. Okay, so this is pretty much my natural hair texture. As I have been doing my deep conditioner series, I have been seeing more and more of my texture and less of my frizz, but like I usually state, there's always some type of frizz present. So it is frizzy, but there's still some definition. But what I will say is it's very soft, very defined, very manageable, which is what I look for in a moisturizing, hydrating, deep conditioner. So I'm very satisfied with the way my hair turned out. When I was rinsing it out, it just felt smooth like butter. So very pleased with this product. Okay, so like I said, I'm very pleased with how my hair turned out. I feel like this intensive treatment mask performed really well on my hair. This is 12 fluid ounces. I did pick it up from my local Sally's, so that is where I found it. And it says to massage gently into clean, wet hair from root to end, showing extra love to the ends. Leave the treatment mask on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse well. And it says after applying mask, sit under a dryer with a plastic cap or steamer for an extra deep treatment. And it also has no sulfates, no parabens, and no animal testing, and no silicones. Now, like I told you, I had got this because I felt like it was very similar to the TGIN, since it had a similar scent and it was also made with honey. But I do still feel like the TGIN is a little bit more absorbent and moisturizing. So that is still my favorite over this one, but this one is actually very quality and I really enjoy it as well. So I would highly recommend this if you haven't tried it out. And I do like the fact that it doesn't have silicones, because the TGIN one does have silicones. So if you are on the curly girl method or you just don't like silicones in general, this is going to be a great option for you. And this does have hydrolyzed keratin in it, so it has a source of protein, but it is kind of low on the ingredient list. So even if you are a little protein sensitive, I don't think it's gonna do any harm to you. So do keep that in mind. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya!